Good day, Tubes, Ian Laconia, NH here, the small engine guy. We're gonna do a cold start on the Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro Series garden tractor. I'll open up the hood for you and show you the engine. That's the engine right there. My oil fill, my air filter, my gas tank. There's the steering wheel. So, and that right there, that's where the key goes. If I can stick it in there, okay. You got the seat right there. That's the back of the tractor. That's the other side of the tractor. Okay. And this right here, that's the front of the tractor. Okay. AJ, Ashley, and Aaron. That's my tractor. And so we're gonna get a cold start for you. AJ, ready? This is how you start this tractor. You can't see it right there, but where my you can't see it, but right where my hand is, that's my clutch. So I'm gonna step on the clutch here, and see that lever right there. That's my parking brake. So we'll and this is how you start this tractor. All you gotta do is see my headlights just came on, so when I turn the key the opposite way, my headlights turn off. Okay, AJ, ready? We're gonna start the tractor for you there, buddy. Ready? My headlights came on. Now I turn the key towards the porch there, and it will start the tractor. Ready? AJ, I'm gonna start the tractor for you there, buddy. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire in the hole. Oh, she's not starting, Toots. There we go. There you go, AJ. My tractor is running, buddy. See, I'll show you the engine. There you go, buddy. I'll give you a little vroom vroom. Hold on a second. And that tractor sounds good. You know what, AJ? We'll take you for a little ride there, buddy. Climb aboard on my tractor, AJ, and we'll give you a little ride. This is how you drive the tractor there, AJ. Ready? Ready? I'm gonna take you for a ride there, AJ. Ready? We're headed out on the legal road right now with the tractor, so we're not in my driveway anymore. We're driving the tractor down the legal street right now. This is for you, AJ. For you, buddy. This is for you. I know you like the color yellow, so I figured I would give you a little ride on my tractor there, AJ. So So I gotta go slow pulling into the driveway here there, bud. It's dark out, and thank God this tractor has headlights so I can see where I'm going. So, well, it's kind of a little hard to drive the tractor and film at the same time, but I can do it. There's a little bit of snow right there. Let's drive in the snow, AJ. Ready? Let's drive in the snow with the tractor. Whee! Yeah, buddy. You like this little ride there, AJ? Whoa. What we just hit? We just hit something. Oh, we just hit that little bump right there, but I needed to turn the wheel a little sharper there, bud. So this is for you, AJ. Ready? This is my backyard, dude. AJ, this is my backyard there, dude. Driving the tractor out in my backyard there, buddy. This is my little lilac bush. And right over here, AJ, if you can see it, that right there is my trailer that I hook up to the back of this tractor for my lawn care business. That's how I carry my push mowers and weed whackers around. So yeah, take you for a little ride, buddy. AJ, take you for a little ride. This is how you drive a tractor. Whee! Isn't this fun, AJ? Fun. I really love driving this tractor. I really do, buddy. So yeah, there's my picnic table. My back porch in my backyard, driving my tractor. So I'll just take you for one more ride in the driveway, and then we'll park the tractor next to the tarp there and tarp it up for the night. See, now I just parked it in the light for you, AJ, so you can get a really good look at the tractor. That's the hood right there. My headlights. So, ready? I'll take you for one more ride, AJ. Ready? You having fun riding the tractor a little bit there, AJ? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, it's fun riding the tractor, isn't it? Yes, it is. Oh yeah. Hold on. Trying to do a 5-6 point turn here and holding the camera and trying to film, but I can do it. Whoa, whoa, we don't want to hit the fence. So yeah. So let's go put the tractor in, park the tractor into the backyard and say goodnight. Make sure we don't hit anything. Make sure we don't hit anything, AJ, huh? And know what, AJ? We will make you a driver yet. AJ, when you get a little older, I will teach you how to drive this tractor there, buddy. And see the key right there? I turn the key that way, and it shuts the engine off on the tractor. So I hope you enjoyed that little video, AJ, of me taking you for a ride on my Cub Cadet XT1 Enduro Series 42-inch mower deck garden tractor. Okay? We'll talk to you later, buddy. Love you, Ashley. We'll talk to you soon, tubes. Bye.